Good evening and welcome to News 24. This is Tamima Islam with the top news of the day. Hajj is being performed in Saudi Arabia to a limited extent in an unprecedented situation due to the corona epidemic. 10,000 pilgrims gathered at Arafat Maidan on Thursday as part of the Hajj to the sound of Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. Collectively, devout Muslims appealed to Allah for the welfare of this world and the hereafter, for mercy and forgiveness of sins. On the same day, the Prophet Muhammad delivered the farewell Hajj speech on the ground of Arafat. Hajj khutbah starts from the Namira Mosque after 12 noon local time. This year, Sheikh Abdullah bin Sulaiman Al Mania delivered the khutbah. The khutbah was translated into 10 more languages, including Arabic. Furthermore, Eid al-Adha will be celebrated in Middle Eastern countries, including Saudi Arabia and European countries, on Friday in compliance with health rules. Due to the corona epidemic, Eid prayers will not be held in open fields anywhere in Muslim-majority areas of Europe this year. And the Middle East, there are restricted on animal sacrifices. The capital Dhaka's cattle market or cattle huts are not doing very well even a day before the sacrifice. Even if the buyer is present, the traders are not getting the price. Traders are thinking about the possibility of losses this year due to the effect of coronavirus. They said even though there are buyers in the market, the sellers are not getting the price as per demand. Buyers visiting various markets in the capital say that the price is much higher than the market ratio. The mayor of Dhaka North City Corporation visited the huts and spoke about the overall management. He said, although there is dissatisfaction among traders and buyers about the price, many are waiting for the last day. After 16 years, floodwaters have crossed the districts around the capital and entered Dhaka. The low-lying areas of Beraid, Shantarkul, Goran, Bonastri, Bashabo and Aftabnagar under the city corporation have been submerged. Furthermore, water of Balu, Turag and Tongi canals are flowing over the danger limit. The Water Development Board says the flood situation would worsen further next week, and a week after that, the water would start to go down. Meanwhile, Awami League General Secretary Badul Qadir said the political tradition of Awami League is to stand by the people of the country in any disaster. He made the remarks in a video conference partaking at a function organized by the Relief and Social Welfare Subcommittee from the Awami League President's political office in Dhanmondi this morning. Health Minister Zahid Malik has urged everyone to strictly abide by the health rules as corona infection may increase on Eid. He also claimed that the corona infection situation in the country is improving. Zahid made the remarks at the signing ceremony of an agreement between the Department of Health, Education and Family Welfare in the morning. Meanwhile, the Director General of the Department of Health, Professor Dr. Abul Bashar Muhammad Khurshid Alam, urged all the hospitals to pay the salaries and allowances of doctors, nurses and other health workers before Eid. He made the remarks after visiting the Holy Family Hospital in Dhaka on Thursday morning. The Director General visited each ward and talked to patients about various aspects of the treatment of the patients. He said that the corona patients of Holy Family have expressed their satisfaction with the treatment. 48 people have died in corona in the country. The total death toll is 3,083. In the last 24 hours, 2,650 more cases have been identified from 12,937 samples, bringing the total number of victims to 2,34,889. Total 1,32,907 people have recovered so far. This information was given in the regular briefing of the Health Department government this afternoon. Meanwhile, in the last 24 hours, a record 290,000 people have been infected with corona worldwide and more than 7,000 lives were lost. The total number of deaths in the world is more than 670,000. Around 17 crore 212,000 are infected worldwide. Furthermore, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Nepal have agreed to work together to tackle the coronavirus pandemic. People are returning home to celebrate Eid with their loved ones, enduring various sufferings in this corona epidemic. Furthermore, 7 people have died in road accidents in 3 districts. At least 16 others were injured in the incidents. However, the number of homebound people is a bit less this time. The bus terminals in Dhaka, including Gaptoli, Saidabad and Mohakhali, are crowded. The passengers said that in most of the cases, the hygiene rules are not being followed and extra fare is being collected. However, bus authorities said they are operating rented buses set by the government in compliance with health regulations. Additional traffic congestion at Daulatiya, Paturia and Mawa Kaurakandi ferry terminals has added to the suffering of Eid commuters by road. Meanwhile, 3 members of the same family were killed when a private car lost control at Kashiani in Gopalganj. The accident took place in the Kashiani railway flyover on the Dhaka-Khulna highway on Thursday morning. 2 people have been killed in a head-on collision between a truck and a bus at Lohagara in Chittagong. The incident took place near Padua Baro Olia College on the Chittagong-Cox's Bazar highway in the morning. Meanwhile, 2 motorcyclists were killed when a truck overturned at Raipura in Norshingdi at noon. That's all the news for today. Thank you for watching News 24. Please stay with us.